In front of me is HONOR Magic5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. You need to begin by going into Tab menu. Following that, look for location icon, and when you find it, click on it. In this pop-up, in order to disable location, select Close. If you wish to switch it on, click on Turn on location. I will go with Close though, so when I click and go back, I can see that location of my HONOR is off. If you wish to switch it back on, click on the same, now gray icon. You can also just access devices settings and scroll down to find location section. When you find it, click on it. Then manage it by tapping on this switcher next to access my location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!